going when I thought it was. It's going now.
Hi, my name is Theodore Dwight. Weld. I was born November 23rd, 1803, and I died February 3rd, 1895. I grew up in Hampton, Connecticut. I was important to the Underground Railroad and Abolitionist Society because I played a role as a writer, editor, speaker, and organizer. Some important things about this are I wrote American Slavery as It Is, which influenced the anti-slavery movement. Another reason I am important to the history of this time is I helped the abolitionist movement until slavery ended. Some important things about this is I was part of the Anti-Slavery Society, which worked to gain rights for Americans. Now you know a little more about me and why I was important to the Underground Railroad and Abolitionist Society. And I have the timeline here.
And where did you live, Theodore?
In Connecticut.
Connecticut. Okay, I missed that.
Well, her name was
1803. I was born.
Oh, it said what?
And I didn't count this, but I became an abolitionist. Then I wrote American Slavery as It Is in 1839, and then I stopped being an abolitionist, and then I died in 1895. I forgot to put the dates on these two.
So did you write this?
So you had to do your own research on your paper?
Yep.
Good job.
Very good. And it's really good job.